If you're a successful founder, you're posting daily. But why does your lead flow still feel like a lottery? You've built a 6 to 8 figure business, but your marketing feels stuck on a content treadmill. You're putting in high effort, but the results are inconsistent. You're constantly creating, refreshing stats, and chasing likes. The question is this marketing or is it just noise? There is a massive gap between your effort and your results. You shouldn't have to shout into the void to be heard. This is what we call the content treadmill. Posting more content won't magically fix a broken system. The constant cycle of posting, recording, and editing only drains your energy, leaving you exhausted and stalled. The truth is, you don't have a content problem. You have a mechanism problem. Hope is not a strategy for client acquisition. Inconsistent, low-quality inbound leads waste your time, drain your confidence, and silently cost you high-value clients. You need an antidote to the chaos. You need Swarigio. We specialize in transforming successful brands into scalable systems. Swarigio is built for the high-level entrepreneur, coach, or consultant who is ready to move beyond manual grinding. We don't sell you more content, we sell you leverage. We replace randomness with systems that work even when you're offline. Our core focus is building your quiet lead machine's backend infrastructure that converts followers into clients automatically. This system filters, nurtures, and converts leads 24/7. It's influence without theatrics and lead generation without noise. We architect an entire pipeline, turning every touchpoint into a predictable opportunity, built on trust, not pressure. Real high-ticket growth comes from intentional infrastructure and authority, not by desperately chasing attention. It's time to stop letting a broken pipeline dictate your growth. Don't let a silent leak in your strategy cost you high-paying clients anymore. Clarity starts now.